All right, so if your AC is still working on your 928, there's a good chance that well, obviously the relay in the dash controller is still working. Apparently that's a 3 amp relay or a 2.5 amp relay, and it's prone to going out after 40 or 50 years. So before it goes out, one of the guys on one of the forums had recommended putting a relay up near the air conditioner, so when you turn the switch on, it uses a relay closer to the source that's rated higher, and it gives you less of a chance to blow out your relay that's in your dash controller, because all you're doing at that point is activating the coil in the relay. So I've put together a relay, and I'll show you guys kind of what the quick version of this looks like. So here's the relay that I've rigged up. It's a simple 4-pin relay. Number 30 goes to hot. Number 85 goes to ground. Number 86 goes to, this is the white wire here, this goes to the source of the turning the switch on, which runs back to the dash. And this red wire here connects up to the AC compressor. And so when this is all installed, the switch turns this relay on. The relay provides power to the clutch. There's also a fuse set up in here. So you connect the power to your power block that's on the front right here. And then this black ground, I'm gonna ground it up to here when I screw it all together. Here's the connection that goes to your AC compressor. The compressor is a female, this is a male in here, so I'm going to plug this in to my relay and still keep all the original wiring. I'm not cutting any of the old wiring. So here's what it looked like installed. I got these relays off of Amazon. They come with the holders. I use some of my own wiring, and I use some of the wiring that they had. Here's the power block that you connect your power wire to. One note on this, there's like a phenolic block that surrounds these hot wires, and mine's cracked. I think it'll be okay, but if you're a stickler for keeping things perfect, you may want to buy that before you start this project, because it's probably gonna find that yours is cracked too. So here's the routing on the wires. Here's the wire that came from the switch. Here's the wire that goes to the compressor. You're out of the way. You want to make sure that you're clear of the pulleys and the belts. But that's it. I'm going to button it up, and I've already checked it out. It works great. So